Hello everyone, so today I have my April Allure unboxing. I actually got this several days ago, but I've been out of town, so I haven't been able to unbox it for you guys. So yeah, that is what I want to do today. Before we get started though, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring your notification bell so you can be notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in my April Allure Beauty Box, then just keep watching. Like I said, I have been out of town for a couple days with my daughter, who unfortunately caught a tummy bug while we were there, so I haven't been able to film this and get this up, so I apologize for the delay. But I did want to touch on a few things. On my last Allure unboxing, I had somebody say that you can actually get Allure Beauty Box through Amazon, and I didn't even know that. I don't know how I didn't know that because I love Amazon, so I have no idea how I missed that you could get this through Amazon. And they mentioned that maybe you could get it faster through Amazon, so I wanted to put that to the test. I signed up for Allure through Amazon as well, so now I have 2 Allure boxes coming to me each month. This one is actually the one that was sent by Allure, and my Amazon one, the payment didn't actually even go through until today, and it says that it's not going to be delivered till May 2nd. So the second box that I've gotten through Amazon, the first one obviously came after I signed up, so this is the first time that it's had like a normal subscription routine, if that makes sense. So far it's Allure that has shipped faster, and in fact the day that I was charged for Allure was like the 2nd or 3rd, I want to say, of this month. And like I said, it got here on Monday, which was the 15th. So I think that I'm gonna do it one more time through the next month, through May, and see which box gets here first. But so far, Allure is winning. So if you don't know what Allure is, it's a monthly beauty box subscription that is $15 a month plus tax through Allure. On Amazon, it's just the solid $15 a month, and they send you sample size, full size type items every single month: beauty, skincare, hair care, makeup, all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and crack on in here. So this month is in collaboration with Carly Bible, which I thought was really cool. I follow her on social media and I think that she's just a very lovely person. So I was excited to see that they collaborated. So this is what we're looking at this month. So it comes in that plastic little baggie that we got in the previous months past. This time my bag is not broken, so you know, that's a plus. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start diving on in. I did see some sneak peeks from her video and quite excited. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out, which I'm actually really excited about, this is the Natasha De Nona. It's just an eyeshadow. Mine is in the shade, I have no idea, 126,000 of a day. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's just a nice, pretty coppery tone. Oh, it's from the Sunset eyeshadow palette, which I don't have, so I'm pretty sure I don't have this shade. So this is really, really pretty. Like I said, just a really nice goldy, bronzy type shade. And Natasha De Nona shadows are so nice, so buttery and creamy, and the pigmentation is awesome. They're super expensive. All of her palettes, super expensive. So this eyeshadow alone is $27. So already this guy right here is already paying for my box, so I'm liking it. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is a little sample size of the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protection Cream. I actually really like this. I've gotten another sample of it in one of my boxes. I can't remember which one, but I did really enjoy it. The full size, I'm guessing, is $24. Obviously just a little sample size of it. So now I got some more that I'll have to use up and then finally purchase the big version of it, full size. The next thing I'm gonna grab out of here, which I'm really excited about, this is the Anastasio Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood. I've never tried an Anastasia liquid lipstick before. I have tried their glosses and I really like them, so I'm actually really excited to try this. And this shade is like me. I love my nudes. So it's obviously full size and it does retail for $20, so I'm excited about this one. I'm gonna do a little swatch swatch for you guys. This is what the shade looks like. It's just a really pretty brown pinky nude that I'm actually really excited to wear. I don't wear liquid lipsticks often, but this shade, I'm gonna do it. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out of here, this is the Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner Pencil. It's in the shade Into the Lavender. So it's just like purple. It's purple. That's pretty. I actually really like that. It's nice to be able to get not a black eyeliner in the subscription box, because let me tell you, signing up for subscription boxes, you get so many black eyeliners. I never have to buy another black eyeliner, probably for the rest of my life. So again, this is full size and it retails for $22. So I'm excited that I got a fun color, like I said, not black, and it's full size, which is awesome. So I'm excited about it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Vita Liberata Phenomenal Tan Infused Cloth. I think there's 2 of them in here. There you go. So 2 tan infused cloths, and I think that she said in her video 1 cloth can cover your whole body. I might be wrong on that, but I'm not sure. Let's pull out our little pamphlet, see what it says about it. So they're $25 for a pack of 8. So it's like a little bit over $6 for the 2 of these. So this says that 2 were enough to easily cover the entire body. So I guess you probably need to use 2 of them for a one-time use, I would guess. If you're like me, I don't self-tan often. I have very pale skin, if you can't tell, but sometimes I find it fun to throw a little self-tan on just for kicks and giggles. And you know, when I'm wearing a dress or shorts and I don't want my legs to be, you know, paper white, I can throw this on. So it might be fun to try, and I've heard good things about Vita Liberata, so it'll be a fun experience. Okay, and the last thing I have in my box, this is a Lexie 231 small tapered blending brush, which I have a ton of. If you saw my last BoxyCharm unboxing, you'll hear my little spiel and rant of getting Lexie brushes in the subscription boxes, because you get them in every single subscription box. I have so many that I've never paid for, but I like them and they're good quality, so there you go. Add in another good blending brush into my massive stack of blending brushes. And it does retail for $12. Okay, you guys, so that is everything. I'm actually pretty happy, pretty impressed with everything that I got. I can definitely say I will use all of it, which is not always likely when you have subscription boxes. A lot of times you don't use everything that you're gonna get, but this month I think I'm gonna use everything that I got. We got 5 items in here, and the value is probably close to somewhere around $100, I would probably say, with, you know, this being 20 and that being 20 and this being like almost 30, and I'm excited. I think it's a great month. Definitely stay tuned. As soon as I get my second Allure box, I'll probably post it on my Instagram. If you want to follow me on there, you can, and I'll let you guys know when I got it, and then I'll most likely do a giveaway with the second box that I got for the month of April. If you want a chance to win that, definitely stay tuned, follow my Instagram, and I will update you guys as soon as I have that. Also, they do have lots of discount and coupon codes inside of here, so I always make sure to link that down below. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this month's box. Let me know if you got the same things as me or if you got something different. I know that there are some shade variants and things like that for the lipsticks and the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. So definitely let me know what you guys got in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.